Hello, Crestview educators. Another great time at your school. Thank you for your partnership. Thank you for bringing your kids into the assembly. The first one was pretty hot in the K2 because it was in the room, but the media center was fun too. Thank you all who played a role in making the assemblies and my visits good. I visited some classrooms. That was great. It was amazing. And for those who came to family night, it was amazing. I know some of you couldn't make it, but the family night was great. It was short, sweet, to the point, and I think the parents really enjoyed it. And I think they saw why the kids engaged with the Message program. So I need you to do me a favor. Please do me a favor. The superintendent came to one of the assemblies, and I would love to get in some other schools in the area, including the middle school and high school. I need your help to do that. If you can visit the choosewellprogram.com/feedback. Fill out the feedback form, give your honest opinion, give some things that you see in the classroom, things you're seeing, even for yourself, if the message helped you at all. Leave that there because we can help find funding for more professional development, more family nights, more assemblies, and even more videos. I love to do that. So please help me out and give us feedback. And also helps me too become a better speaker, our team to get better at what we do. Even when it comes to video library, we're trying to structure that better so we can optimize the opportunity to help these students make better choice, live a better life. Like I made a video for the parents. I said that listen, my job, I love my job. I get to water seeds that you have already planted as educators and parents, and I get to plant seeds you can water. It's an amazing partnership, and I feel blessed to be able to do it. So thank you so much for your partnership and your role in educating students. It's getting dark. I need more light in here. So with that said, I'm gonna end this video and hopefully see you in the future to help your students, and maybe even you, to make better choices, to live a better life. Of course, to choose well. Oh yeah, don't forget, the choosewellprogram.com/feedback. Oh yeah.